Yeah? Me know say blood clot Jew chat, yeah? Jew, you want pussy, you're more light. You understand? But I tell you something, right? On the other hand, no blood clot. You see the part where you're going to say, Jew say my pitney them hungry, I no blood clot say it. You know so my baby them fat and nice. You want Jew give money, Jew give the whole of money. Jew buy luscious one blood clot blender. I want juicer. Luscious ask Jew for $400 for do gym members. But with the blood clot you don't feel like. Let me tell you something. You think no girl can come blood clot this me come talk about mix up. Mix up with you, Jew, and the whole of have on a blood clot private page. We have on a blood clot private page, yeah? None of we not dep on the blood clot private page. None of we not dep on the private page. You understand? If you never come out and talk about the private page where you and Jew and the rest of the depend, we would the blood clot know. Last week when they come out and me a chemist me they go for my daughter medication. And my sister stand call me and say, I go on diarrhea course. And me I say, no, I don't know how I could we diarrhea talk. Go over there make you hear. I'll go over there. Start my ask you say, you know, they know two blood clot, wicked and hypocritical. And if you come out and tell the truth and stop type up about people and mix up a una blood clot mix up, you diarrhea, you big pussy candy. Because if blood clot you chat me and I chat my baby. First of all, when you chat baby, you know so the claim say, you know love kid. If you say him feed my hungry belly blood clot in them, I ask you something diarrhea. When a particular person it come and tell you say me come for friend who for know the business and you call me upon the live. Remember that Sunday them blood clot friend dead. I mean walk up on the live and a blood clot inbox me. And me I say I walk one. Me I mourn for my blood clot friend of how much years. You understand me true my original blood clot friend were dead. Right? I'ma come and you say, add me. And you say, Tanya, me gonna be honest with them, me I tell the truth. Them say you mix up. Them say the SWAT team them send you. Yeah? The SWAT team them send you. For come friend we for know we business. You can class you and fret them and do what you do. But when you gonna say you pity them hungry and you have to feed them, that's how me put on my foot. Remember, you know, we blood clot come out, we don't know nothing, you know. When you come out and you're talking a diary, what pretty ask you, what habit, you know, pretty more, you drop that blood clot on the page where you don't know pretty. Because she says she never says so. You ask her what's going on, diary, you're clueless. What you mean by you're clueless? Me not clueless. Oh, you stop going like so, you don't know what go on. Really, I'm blood clot, chula. We innocent because we don't get up and chat. Blood clot people. I will have a SWAT team group for over 9 years. Our SWAT team group, if we are here don't have a problem, we not put it in there, we not talk about you. And we don't get up every day and talk about blood clot, waste people. Me not have no time for that. Me have my house tidy. Me have my blood clot pitting them for cook food and look after and feed them. Me have them clothes to wash and keep them clean. Me not have no time for come on social media and get up every day and just negativity drain up blood clot people energy. You understand that? You diary come on the page last week. You diary. Nobody never know where you are going with. When on the blood clot private page. We wasn't on the page. And you know what you say? You take off your picture and give we. You're accused with diary. You're accused, you know, we not act like say we are the mix up. Diary, we try our best. Me and girl, me no problem, me no life problem. Despite everybody blood clots about me. Me, my true original friend, them know me. I know say me is not a problem person. And when me say problem, me try for step blood clot past it. And me see the problem and me try for step blood clot past it. Ask your friend Candy. I'm turn to Candy and I can't show me and Candy talking in the inbox. And I say, Candy, the devil at work. Don't blood clot make the devil win. Candy, don't make the devil win. Don't make the devil win. You understand? Only for learn to bypass certain things and hear certain things because you there come out and talk about the blood clot private page. We never know about the private page because none of we never there on the private page. You know when me start to juke on phone? Last week when they come live. Last week when they come live and I bust it up. And the first me and Drew, me get Drew number. Me and Drew talk in an inbox, but me and Drew don't talk per phone. Me never have Drew WhatsApp number. You understand? And because of the problem, I may ask you, Drew, what's going on? Where you and Diary them have? What kind of chatting and mix up on this? Uno blood clot started. We never started because you assume, say, Drew, I take off. Remember, I know people. Let me tell you all them people are wicked, you know. Yeah? Them dep on the private page, you know. Right? Remember, none of we not dep on it, you know, people. We not dep on it, you know. None of we not dep on it, you know. Right? Me here say one page make. Right? Me here say Candy. Me here, I never see the video and me can't come say me blood clot seat and me can't wicked like uno. Me can't wicked and lie like blood clot uno, you know. You understand? And me here say the page take off. Jew, Diary and Candy. Candy was giving Jew a strip dance. I wind up her pussy and do the things them. And on me blood clot say so away the page put up. Remember I know. The page only have special people on the bumper pussy blood clot page. Then I must one of them on the page take off the life. You sound wicked. But you want a problem with we. You know what a problem because I talk out and put up my sister Suki and say, no girl can violate my aristocrat blood clot sister. My sister top of the top of the top of the top of the top. It's the truth. She is. You understand? You're not a small fish for my sister. You understand? Right? Me talk the truth. Me talk the truth. And me put up. Because Candy put up and I say, we are ignore Suki. No. Me Candy come in my inbox and me and Candy talk. And I say, Candy, we not ignore it, you know. We know what go on, you know. Ask Candy when me say, Candy, the devil at work, fight it. Don't make we go down the road there. We can't agree. It come that we can't agree and mix up our start. None of uno never have to come blood clot talk with uno and Jude upon the page of chat we say. Because guess what? One of the nice. Nobody people me not read comment me I braid my daughter ear cause my blood clot. I have things in my house to do. And me have a nice girl pity them when me have to do them blood clot ear for back to school. You understand me no careless blood clot girl. So when I put up on that go like say me a careless blood clot girl. All you can tell me you know. Oh, pussy running a fucking pretty them, the social worker, the police, them, the every blood clot body, the FBI, the Scotland Yard, all the blood clot civil servant them. No say that a lie. Me no blood clot need uno. Yeah? To verify my life. Cause uno nobody. That's all uno can come tell me. Every time uno come. Why as a big uno no blood clot, yeah, even though I'm older than a big blood clot girl. Big tough hard great one blood clot woman. If you are bring down blood clot, me dey on the live. Mom. Yeah, but me not busy, me dey on my live. Be a blood clot live I do. Uno come out and uno come out come blood clot talk the things them. Uno you diary. You diary. You could have make it stay where you want you have. I want blood clot have because when you do that Drew pussy pick, when you do that wine and a strip for blood clot Drew on the private page. Guess what? Guess what? None of we never there over there. Me there in my blood clot house. Me there in my house. I look out for my children them. So why you no want to come tear me down with my blood clot? Me not say none of you know. Me not say none after today. Me I delete my page. And me I come off a blood clot Instagram. Me no come. Me tired of you nasty blood clot. Kito see your blood clot pussy girl, you know. Hello? Yeah. Me dey on live. Yeah. Yeah, make it quick and wait name because me can't upset people on my next phone. You understand? Me I come off of this. Cause be a wicked blood clot people there on social media. I only don't know if you live down blood clot. No. I say you know what? This did happen, that did happen. You know they come out and I say juice. Of course you blood clot chat. We know say Jew chat. But when the blood clot you say, what kind of business you know blood clot about? The only thing me do I beg Jew money just like blood clot, oh no. Oh no beg money, me make blood clot money too. Everyone I will beg money. That's the only thing I come talk about. If I come talk our business, talk for blood clot business. You don't know if my pussy pink, yellow, pink, purple, or blue. I don't know fucking Jew. As I said, is when the blood clot passa start. When diary come out on our live and I bust it up and I assume so we have Arshan and man picture when we're not. When we stop blood clot bring down innocent people and then when I put up like when innocent. When I mix up, which mix up? What I talk about mix up? Who did the live first? Who did the blood clot live first? Who come out first? I start assume and point finger. When we were innocent, we don't know what was going on between Diary and fucking Jew. You understand? We never know. Meeting a Cape. Which bar meeting a Cape? When me come out from my life, me I come people. Me need to go see meeting.